Everyone, it's Nanette. I just wanted to quickly hop on here and tell you something that's been really helpful to me over the past few days. So about a week ago, a friend introduced me to the Lifewave X39 patches. So if you guys are not familiar with these, I strongly encourage you to check them out. They've been on my radar for about 2 years or so. I've been part of different communities where people have tried them and they've gotten extraordinary results. And so when she reminded me of them, I was really keen to try them for a couple of reasons. So the first one is I'm a full-time artist. I do pewter art, which is metal embossing. And over the past 2 years, I've spent so much time working on these pieces for 6 to 8 hours a day that I put a lot of pressure on this front lid. And you can see I grew this bump on my finger, which is really quite painful. So I'm actually just giving my artwork a rest for a little bit so that my finger can recover. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to try them. The second reason is I've been an insomniac for way over a decade. There was a period of about 4 or 5 years where I only slept 3 to 4 hours a night. And even the little sleep I got was quite interrupted. So I'm a very light sleeper. My issue is a little bit better at the moment, but I'm still not sleeping deeply. So that's one of the other reasons I wanted to try it out. And so I just wanted to show how we receive these packages, and I'm just going to invite you along for the journey. I'm always, I lean to be more on the skeptical side of things. So I want to check things out for myself. And especially if there's a big hype around something, I go in with a really skeptical lens. And I want to be super vulnerable and super authentic with you guys to say, yes, this worked for us, or no, it didn't work, and these are the reasons why. So they arrive in this little envelope, so just like that. And then inside the envelope, you find your little X39 patches. So again, it's a little envelope, and in there you get a supply of 30 little stickers like this. So that's the size of them. You peel the backing off, and they recommend, just for ease of use and so it's not visible under your clothing, you can wear it. I'm actually wearing mine at the back of my neck this morning, and I've been wearing them on, there's another spot I'll show you in the little instruction booklet. You can wear them just below, or there's actually 2 booklets in the package as well. So they advise that you wear it either behind the neck in that spot right there, or on your belly button, just below the belly button, like that. So when I started on Saturday morning, so just quick backstory. I ordered mine on Monday. I'm in New Zealand. They had to come from Australia, and so they were delivered on Thursday, but I missed the delivery truck, so I had to go and collect them on Friday. So not a long delivery time at all. And then I started using them on Saturday morning because it's advisable to start wearing them, to wear them during the day. And then how it works is you wear them 12 hours on and then 12 hours off. So it's recommended that you use them during the day. So the reasons my husband and I wanted to try them is, so as I mentioned, my finger is a bit of an issue at the moment, my sleep issues. And then also I went for a facial a couple of months ago, and part of the facial was they put this really bright light on my face to do a skin analysis. Now they do cover your eyes with some cotton pads, but the intensity of the light was so incredibly harsh that I could feel my eyes getting damaged while I was lying there for about 5 minutes or so as she did the skin analysis. So I've been struggling with really blurry vision, and I was shocked the other day when I attended a training and I was sitting about, I don't know, less than 4 meters away from the screen, and there was a number on there that we had to access a certain app with, and I could not for the life of me get those numbers right. So that was a real concern. So I thought, okay, I'm going to give it a go and try it for those issues. And then my husband is 52 at the moment, and 5 years ago we went skiing, and while we were on the chairlift to drop us off at the slope, as the chairlift was turning where we went to get off, his ski got stuck in the ground, and his knee, as the chair was turning, and so his knee got stuck in there and twisted, and he got some severe damage. So he's a runner. So obviously struggling with knee pain is not the, it's not the ideal. So he wants to really get some pain relief. And because of that same injury, his right hip is also affected quite severely. So for him, he wants to try it for his knee pain, his hip pain, and then also he struggles with headaches. And at the moment, just because of work stress and all of that, he's fatigued. He's just really, really tired. So I'm going to share with you some of the claims that the company makes in terms of benefits that you might experience. And so some of those, I'm just going to show you, that's in their little booklet. Oh, sorry, it's in reverse. I'll just read it to you. So the one is rapid pain relief, mental clarity, reduced inflammation, enhanced sports performance, supported wound healing, faster recovery from exercise, energy and vitality, and then improved skin appearance. That's the other thing that got me, because I'll be 50 next year, and I grew up in the African sun, so you can see I've got lots of wrinkles and lots of sun damage. So if anything can help my skin improve, I'm all in. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to commit to trying them for a month. I'm going to wear them daily, and I'm just going to make mental notes. I'm just going to pay attention to any changes I feel in my body. And I must tell you that my husband did not read the instructions. He just went off when I was telling him, and I was so excited to try them. And I shared with him some of the testimonies that some friends got with pain relief when they tried it on their own knees. And so he went ahead the first night we got them, and he stuck one on his knee, one on his hip. I nearly had a heart attack the next morning when I heard that, because you're only supposed to wear one patch per day, only for 12 hours. So anyway, he did notice instant relief. He said it was about within the first half an hour, he could really feel a big difference in the way his knee felt. And then the next morning, which was Saturday, he actually ran up. So we live in Tauranga. He ran up the mount and had no issues, no pain afterwards. He was doing his stretches without any discomfort. And he said he slept like a baby. So my own experience, I wore them on Saturday for the first time, and I put them on, I'd say at around 8:30 or so in the morning. And then we went for a beach walk, I don't know, an hour and a half or so later. And as I was walking on the beach, I noticed, I was like, wow, this is pretty impressive, because my vision was not as blurry. I could actually see. So obviously there's still lots of room for improvement, but that was like after wearing the patches for 2 or 3 hours, and I could feel a significant improvement in my vision already. The other thing I struggle with occasionally is bloatedness. So if you're menopausal and you're sort of, in your late 40s or 50s or whatever, this might be something you struggle with. So I noticed a significant impact on that as well. And then I also tried these sleep patches, but I'll do another live at a different time on those. What I did notice was a significant increase in energy. So normally I'm up early in the mornings because I don't sleep well. So anything from 4 a.m. Onwards, I'm up and ready for my day, and I go to bed at around 9, anything between 9 and 10 p.m. But that makes my days really long, and I do everything with gusto. I'm all in. So my energy hasn't been the greatest, and that just means that in the afternoons after I pick up our son from school, I do take a nap. So even if it's just 30 minutes or so, I do take a nap every single day. That wasn't necessary on Saturday. So I'm going to keep sharing my experience with these patches. And if you guys would like to learn any more information about them, then I'd be happy to share. I'm brand new to the company. I did sign up as a brand partner, so I want to be fully transparent with that. Just because the product has been on my radar for about 2 or 3 years now, and I've been in a lot of communities where people have had really significant results, recovering from all sorts of health issues. And I'm not a medical expert, so I'm not going to tell you exactly what they work or not work for. I mean, they're designed to help regenerate your stem cells. So it's 100% natural. There's nothing that transmits transdermally. It just, your body's own infrared light activates the patches. There's some microcrystals in there. And the way it works is it goes to work where the biggest deficit in your own body is. So you might go in starting to wear the patches because you have, let's say, knee pain or migraines or some other health issue, and you might not get the result you're looking for instantly. But how these patches work is they go to work where there's the biggest deficit in your body. So some people find results instantly, like my husband did with his knee. Like I could clearly see my vision improved quite significantly within 2 or 3 hours. But then for other people, the healing process takes a bit longer. So it just depends on your body, how well hydrated you are, your nourishment levels and all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you and invite you along for the journey. So if you'd like more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you click on the link in my bio, you'll find 4 different links. So I'm involved in a lot of different things, and my main goal for this year was to build as many income streams as possible. So I'm a brand partner for a couple of other companies, and it's all companies that I believe 100% in. I've been around them long enough to know that they offer people real transformation, real results, and it's not flash in the pan results, it's long-term sustainable results that they get. So those are the things I like to align with. And you might have noticed the name of my page is Thrive with Nanette. And so my whole vision and mission that I'm on is to thrive in every area of my own life and to help my family, friends, and my audience to grow in all the areas of their lives, whether it's emotionally, physically, spiritually, or in business. And so if there's any way that I can support you on your own journey, or you'd like more information, please click the link in my bio. You'll find links to all the resources I recommend, and one of them is these stem cell reactivation patches, the X39s. So if you'd like more information, hop on there, sign up for the newsletter. I'm sharing my journey as I go along, and if this is something you'd like to give a go, then join me for the ride. Let's see where it leads. So with that, I wish you all a very blessed day and a great week, and take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one.